Hello guys, I gave an interview in a company called Codevyasa, and the interview date was the 27 December 2022, and the interview was mainly based on the PHP and MySQL. So they asked me, can you tell me five array function in PHP? So I said yes, that is a short, replace, search, sum, count, and there are many like the in underscore array. Then they asked me string function in PHP. So I said split, explode, implode, strlen, strpos, and trim, etc. They asked me what is the use of the array underscore keys function. So I said the it returns an array containing the key. Like you have one variable dollar array, and equal inside that you have the a equal to apple, b equal to banana, and c equal to cherry. So if you create a new variable dollar keys and store array underscore key inside that dollar array, and then print underscore r dollar key, so it will return the array. In the zero index you will get a, in first index you will get b, and in second index you will get the c. They asked me what is the array underscore column in PHP. So I said it returns the value from a single column in the output array. Then they asked me some OOPS concept. So they asked me the what is the polymorphism. So I said the polymorphism means that the same operation name may behave differently on different classes. For example, shape, circle, rectangle, square. Next question, they asked me the inheritance. So I said the inheritance is a means for sharing attribute and operation among classes. So then they asked him the two table employee 1 and employee salary return sum of the particular ID equal to 20. So you have to write a query for MySQL query for that. So I said select, and inside there the subquery select sum salary from employee 1 plus select sum salary from employee salary as total salary. So they asked me the multiple inheritance in PHP and how can we use it. So first of all, PHP does not support multiple inheritance directly because a class in PHP can inherit from only one parent class. This restriction avoids the complexities and ambiguities of the diamond problem which can occur in the multiple inheritance scenario. For example, we have the trait logger, public function log dollar message, and echo log dollar message. Another trait we have the notifier, public function notify dollar message, echo notification dollar message. Then class user, we have to call these two traits use logger and notifier. Then public function create user dollar name, echo user dollar name created, this log created user dollar name, this notify user dollar name has been added. Then we have to create one object dollar user equal to new user, and then dollar user create user, and inside that we have to write some name like the alias. So use alias created, this is the output. Log created user alias and notification user alias has been added. So they ask me the controller. So a controller is the MVC model view controller, and it is the controller is where you enter or code most of your application logic. The good news is that you can create many controller as your application needs, allowing your application codes to have an easy to understand syntax. So then they ask me data abstraction. So it refers to provide the essential feature without including background details or explanations. For example, abstract class name, abstract public function abstract method, public function concrete method, then abstract class shape, abstract public function calculation area, public function display shape, and echo this is shape. Then class circle extend shape, private dollar radius, public function double underscore construct radius. This radius equal to dollar radius. Public function calculate area, return pi dollar this radius, dollar this radius. Then class rectangle extend shape, private dollar length, private dollar width, public function construct length width, this length equal to dollar length, this width equal to dollar width. So public function calculate area, return this length, asterisk this width. So we have to create one uh, object dollar circle equal to new circle 5, echo circle calculate area. Then rectangle equal to new rectangle 4 or 6, echo rectangle area, rectangle calculate area. Output circle area 78.53, rectangle area 24. And they asked me the joins in MySQL. So I said SQL joins are used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related common between them. Okay. So then they asked me what is the inner join. So inner join returns only the rows where there is a match in both tables. Okay. Then they asked me the left join. So return all rows from the left table and the matched row from the right table. If there is no match, null value are returned for column from the right table. Then they asked me the right join or right outer join. So I said return all rows from the right table and matched row from the left table. If there is no match, null value are returned for column from the left table. Then they ask me the full join. Return all rows from both table. If there is no match, null values are returned for column from the table that doesn't have a match. Then they ask me what is the default join. So I said if you simply use the keyword join without specifying a type, SQL assume it's an inner join. So default join is the inner join. So these question asked by the Code Vyasa, and the interview date was the 27 December 2022. I will share more questions related to my interview. Till then, bye.